Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we'll learn how to connect audio notes with Notion. So you can sync all your notes from audio notes to Notion. Once you log in or sign up to audio notes, you will come to this screen. Once you are here, let's just go to the integration section. Once you are in the integration section, you will see few different integrations. In this video, we'll particularly focus on Notion. Let's just start connecting Notion with audio notes. The first step here is duplicating the template provided by audio notes team. Once you open the template, please make sure you do not make any changes in this. Otherwise, it might break sync with audio notes. Once you are here, in the top navigation bar, you can click this duplicate icon to duplicate this template in your Notion workspace. Once you duplicate the template, let's just go back to audio notes. The step 2 is authenticating Notion with audio notes. This is one of the most crucial step. Once you start the authentication, you will come on this page, click select page. In this step, we'll select the page which we just duplicated. This step gives your Audionotes account access to this Notion page to send the notes. Once you do that, you will see the authentication successful prompt. Now the third step is going back to Notion, picking up the duplicated page URL and pasting it back here. Once you do that, your Notion integration is complete, and now whenever you create a new note, it will automatically synced with Notion. Thank you.